You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting words and vocabulary from Japanese. Yes, that is useful, but that many get wrong. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Tsundoku. Tsundoku is how it is said, so in English, Tsundoku. Tsundoku from Japanese, Tsundoku. And now, you know, it's easy, right? Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support, like it at least, it helps me a lot. And more videos for you here on how to pronounce more useful vocabulary. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.